Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the server disconnected error in Black Ops 6. The first thing that you guys can do is simply just change all of your graphic settings to like maybe low or medium if they're set to like ultra or high. And once you do that, and the second method you guys can try doing is switch from a Wi-Fi connection to a wired LAN cable instead. So instead just basically just use an Ethernet cable. But if you can't do that, if you don't have access to an Ethernet cable, what you can do instead is just restart your Wi-Fi router, and you can do that by unplugging the power cord for about 30 seconds and then waiting 30 seconds to a minute and then plugging it back in. Once you wait that long, go ahead and check to see if that fixes the issue. I recommend restarting your PC directly after, or console, whatever you're on, after doing that, and then you can check to see if that fixes the issue. Another thing you guys can do is if you're on Steam, right click on Steam, hit run as an administrator and open up Steam this way, and then click on Call of Duty, right click on it again, hit properties, hit installed files, and hit verify integrity of game files. Once it's done verifying, open up Call of Duty and check to see if that fixes the issue. And that should be all. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.